Latest in the Sunanda Pushkar death case, after being questioned by the Delhi police, politician Amar Singh issued a statement. Take a look.
पुलिस दूध का दूध और पानी का पानी उसको करना है वो करेगी।
सर, आप होटल में मिले थे 2 दिन तक, आपने बताया था कि 2 दिन पहले होटल मिले थे, उन्होंने काफी डिप्रेस।
तब तक ये मामला एसआईटी के संज्ञान में नहीं आया था। अब एसआईटी के संज्ञान में जब आया और हमने एसआईटी को जो बयान दिया है उसको सार्वजनिक बोलने का मुझे कोई अधिकार नहीं।
कितने सवाल, कितनी देर तक आपसे पूछताछ हुई है? तकरीबन
2 घंटे तक।
2 घंटे तक।
2 घंटे।
और सर, क्या क्या सवाल आपसे सर?
अब वो हम नहीं बता सकते।
अच्छा सर, एक चीज पूछना था,
रुक जाओ ना।
सुब्रमण्यम स्वामी ने ये बोला है सर इस मामले में कि एक बहुत बड़ी साजिश है, आईपीएल का मामला था, अंडरवर्ल्ड से जुड़ा हुआ है मामला है, गांधी परिवार के ऊपर उन्होंने आरोप लगाए थे। आपको लगता है कि कोई पॉलिटिकल कंट्रोवर्सी है सर ये?
मैं सोनिया गांधी जी का बहुत सम्मान करता हूँ, मैं शशि थरूर का भी बहुत सम्मान करता हूँ, और मैं इस तरह के बयान देने का पक्षधर नहीं हूँ। मुझे जितना सुनंदा के बारे में सच पता है, वो हमारी अभिन्न मित्र थी उस नाते, उतना मैंने पुलिस को बताया है, उससे ज्यादा नहीं, उससे कम नहीं। और वो भी इस जांच के बाद, इस पूछताछ के बाद इस मामले में कोई सार्वजनिक टिप्पणी अब मैं नहीं करूंगा।
सर, आपने बताया था सर मीडिया में, जो हमने आपके इंटरव्यू देखे थे उसमें आपने बोला था कि कोई बड़ा रसूखदार आदमी है, कौन है वो, कहाँ पे है वो, तो आपको लगता है सर कि कोई?
देखिए, ये मैंने नहीं कहा था। मैंने ये कहा था कि कोई भी हो, अपराधी का पता लगना चाहिए। वो अब भी कह रहा हूँ, वो एक सामान्य बात थी
सर। लेकिन ये खटास थी, ये तो आप मानते हैं सर दोनों के रिश्ते में, शशि थरूर
इस बारे में अब कुछ नहीं बोलूंगा। इसलिए नहीं बोलूंगा कि पहले मुझे नहीं पता था कि मेरे उस बयान को इतनी गंभीरता से संज्ञान में लेते हुए एसआईटी इतनी गहन पूछताछ करेगी। अब चूंकि मेरा वो बयान और बयान के बाद हुई पूछताछ एसआईटी के इन्वेस्टिगेशन का हिस्सा है, इसलिए मेरी जिम्मेदारी है कि मैं चुप रहूं।
ठीक है, ओके सर, थैंक यू सर, थैंक यू।
All right, that was politician Amar Singh saying that after giving his statement to the SIT in connection with the Sunanda Pushkar death case, he was also questioned for almost 2 hours. He's saying that his statement will now become part of the SIT's investigation records. Amar Singh, in fact, reportedly himself came forward and told the police that he had some crucial information to share about Sunanda Pushkar. He claims to have spoken to her. He said he had some information about some money transactions involving the IPL. These are pictures that we're getting you from outside the SIT office. Politician Amar Singh, while speaking to journalists there, said that he can't share what exactly he told the police, but he said that he was questioned for almost 2 hours. Let's get a word from our deputy editor Atir Khan, who's with us on the phone line. Atir, what more do you have?
Well, you see, even Amar Singh is surprised by the intensive questioning he has been, put to by special investigating team. But what he had revealed, police found it significant. He said that he had met Sunanda days before her death at a 5-star hotel, and they had meals together. After which Sunanda had told her that she was, she had taken upon herself the responsibility for the IPL blame, and apparently she revealed to that she was disturbed that Mr. Tharoor and Meher Tarar was together in Dubai. And the third angle being that she didn't want to go with Mr. Tharoor, and that's why it was Amar Singh who had volunteered to drop her back. So it is an indication of sorts. That is why Delhi police has asked.
Right, Atir, did Amar Singh say exactly when and how he met Sunanda Pushkar, under what circumstances, and did she actually share any information with him?
Well, he clearly said that it was only a couple of days before her death. They had met at a 5-star hotel in Delhi where they had dinner together. Thereafter, she was looking quite disturbed, and she had told Amar Singh that she had taken upon herself the responsibility of the IPL blame, and she wasn't in the right point, it seems, and that is why it was Amar Singh who volunteered to drop her back home. So that is why the police had called Amar Singh, and he had been put to questioning for around 2 hours, which is really a long time.